Hello student. Now the next topic again molarity. This is molarity of ions. This is based on the molarity of ions. Suppose you have ions, so how to find the molarity of ions? The question is, if 53 gram of Na2CO3 is dissolved in 500 ml of solution, find molarity of number 1 Na2CO3, number 2 Na plus charge, and number 3 CO3 2 minus charge. Okay, do you know the conversion of Na2CO3? Okay, so now first you find the molarity of Na2CO3. So you know the molecular mass of Na2CO3 in my last question. The molarity of Na2CO3 here 110, है ना? So you know the molarity of molecular mass of Na2CO3. So first you write down the formula. Molarity is equals to, you know, the mass upon molecular mass. So mass is 53 and molecular mass is 110. Yeah, Na2CO3, just you check again, his molar mass is 110 or not. 23 into 246, and oh shit, there is a carbon is 12. Okay, carbon is 12, and there is a 1 and 16 3 is a 48, 8 to 10, 10, 8 to 10, and 16, 5, 6, 6, 4, 10, 106. So just you check, there is a 106. Okay, so just you multiply 106. So 106 means what? 2 6 are 12, 1, 2. Clear? So now here, the molarity is equals to 53, and the molar mass of Na2CO3 is 106, and the volume of solution is 500. So 500 divided by 1000 to 1000 here. So 53 ones are 53, 53 twos are 5 twos are. It means 2 to cancel. The answer is what? 1 mole per liter. It means the molarity of Na2CO3 is what? 1 mole per liter. So here just you convert Na2CO3. Na2CO3 is converted into 2 Na plus and CO3 2 minus. So here is a 1 mole. This is a stoichiometric coefficient method. There is 1 mole. There is a 2 mole and there is a 1 mole. Now you find the molarity of this. This is what? 1 mole per liter. 1 mole per liter means 1 molarity. Yeah, and the coefficient 1 mole, there is a 1 and there is a 2. It means 2 mole per liter. It means the answer is what? 2 molarity. And here again there is a 1 coefficient. It means again there is a 1 mole per liter. It means 1 molarity. This is a simple method to find. So now here Na plus molarity is what? 2 molar, and CO3 molarity is what? 1 molar. This is based on the stoichiometric coefficient method. Now here the question, this is your homework. So just you note down, find molarity of H plus ion of 49 gram H2SO4 is dissolved in 250 ml of solution. Clear? So this is the molarity of ions. Now I have the next topic. This is based on molarity of dilution. The topic is molarity of dilution. Okay, now suppose you have container. Okay, there's a water. Okay, there's a water. Clear? And suppose there is a concentration is what? M1B1. Suppose you know the molarity formula. Molarity is equals to number of moles upon volume. It means the cross number of moles is what? Molarity into volume. So suppose you have number of moles of water is M1B1. Okay. Now we add some water. Suppose you have any solution, any type of solute dissolve in this solution. Suppose you have a water, है ना, and water there is a suppose you have this container and there is a water and 10 gram of sugar. So we add suppose we add more water. Okay, we add more water. Now the concentration is changed. Again there is the concentration is what of this solution is M2V2. Yeah, and the number of moles of both the solution is same. The initial number of moles is equals to final number of moles after adding water. It means M1 B1 is equals to M2V2. Clear? Suppose you have a dilute solution. The question is what? Suppose you have suppose you have the question 0.2 molar 100 ml HNO3 solution is diluted with 100 ml of water of H2O. Find new molarity. So now here suppose in this container HNO3 solution, HNO3 and water is given. After adding more water the concentration is different. तो diluted is what? With 100 ml. तो यहाँ पर भी हमने इसको dilute किया किससे? Add more water ना. तो this is diluted. There is a M1 B1 concentration and there is a M2. Concentration is different but number of moles are equal. Clear? In any case, okay. So now suppose again there is a container, yeah, and there is a solution of HNO3 aqueous है ना, HNO3 aqueous क्योंकि HNO3 solution is given ना, the HNO3 aqueous is there, and now the concentration of this M1 is what? 0.2 molar and the volume is what? 100 ml of this. You add more water, then 100 ml of water is given na. So you add 100 ml of water. So you find the concentration of this, yeah, find new molarity and the volume. यहाँ पे volume कितना था 100 and you add more 100 ml. So now the second volume is what? 200 ml. So here the formula M1 B1 is equals to M2 V2. M1 is 0.2, volume is 100 and M2 you find and volume is 200. So M2 is what? 0.2 into 100 divided by 200. So 100 2s are and 2.1. So second new molarity is 0.1 mole per liter. Clear? So this is a topic of molarity of dilution. Okay. Now I have the next question. Just you note down in your notebook. This is based on the 1, 2 concentration are mixed together and the volume made of 1 liter. Find the resulting molarity. So just you note down in your notebook and this is your homework. Okay, clear? Okay. Now the last topic of molarity is what? Molarity of mixture. This is very important. Molarity of mixture. Okay, suppose you have 3 container. 1, 2 and there is 3. Okay, Now here is the number of moles of N1. Okay, in this case there's a N1 moles, there's a N2 moles, and there is a N final mole. N plus 1 N2 is equals to N. Now in this case the concentration of this is M1B1 and the M2V2, and there is a there is a V1 plus V2 and M3. M3, yeah, you write M also. Okay, clear? Now in this case the volume is increases. It means V1 plus V2. Same for molarity of dilution. Now suppose is very interesting topic, case 1. Okay, suppose here is a acid and there is a base. If the concentration of both the solution, acid and base, if the concentration of the solution of acid and base is equal, now in this case the formula is what? Just you find what is the actual formula. Okay, if the concentration of acid and base are equal, so suppose you can also write this is the acid to MaVa and this is base to MbVb, and you can also write Va plus VbM. Clear? Clear, student? Okay. Now suppose in case 1 the concentration of acid and base are equal, so what is the formula of new molarity? So now their molarity is equals to Ma plus Va plus Mv plus Vb divided by Va plus Vb. Just you focus, if the concentration of both the solution is same. Now the second case, case 2, if the concentration of acid is greater than base, matlab the concentration here, the concentration is more than base. So now in this case, what is the formula of new molarity? MaVa minus MvVb and there Va plus Vb. In this case acid, the concentration of acid is more than base. Now the third one, case 3, in this case the concentration of base is greater than acid. So now the formula is very easy, MbVb minus MaVa upon Va plus Vb. The volume is increases now because both the solution have different volume na. The volume is added. Okay, in all the cases. So now here this is a question. The question is what? Just wait. Okay, I have a question. The question is based on this 0.2. Sorry, just wait. I have a question. 0.2 molar of 100 ml HCl solution is mixed with 0.1 molar 300 ml HCl solution. Find molarity of mixture. So in this case, first you check, find molarity of mixture. Okay, so first you check which has high concentration. So now in this case, just you check, you have the question. I'll focus on this. The question is given. Okay, just wait, I'll note down the question. If the question is what? if 0.2 molar 100 ml HCl solution, comma, is mixed, just wait, with 0.1 molar 300 ml NaOH solution, find molarity of solution या mixture. So first you check which has high number of moles. So there is a 0.2 and 100 ml volume, and there is a 0.1 molar 300 ml of NaOH. So first you check molarity of HCl and molarity of NaOH. So first you check molarity is given. So what is the number of moles upon volume? Number of moles upon volume. So MHCl molarity is given 0.2 and number of moles of HCl, and volume is what? 100. So NaCl 100 is 0.2. It means what? 100 into 0.2. What? 20 moles. And in this case MNaOH, M is what? 0.1, and number of moles of NaOH and volume is 300. So NaOH is what? 0.1 into 300, it means 30. So it means the concentration of base is greater than acid. So what is the formula? The concentration of base is greater than acid. The formula is what? M is equals to MB VB minus MA VA upon V1 plus V2. So MB is what? MB base 0.1 and volume is 300. Volume is 300 minus MA is what? MA is 0.2 and volume is 100 divided by 300 plus 100. So this is what? 30, and this is what? 20, and this is 130. So this is 10 by 130. 0 0 cancel. So 1 by 13. So just you find. So molarity is what? 1 by 13. So you find in decimal form, mole per liter. Okay, now is very interesting topic. Ki suppose you have both the solution is acid. Suppose you have both the solution is acid. Suppose यहाँ पे HCl भी होता. So then you can write the formula. Suppose you have both the acid. Suppose the question is 0.2 molar 100 ml HCl solution, and the second 0.1 molar of 300 ml HCl solution. So if you have both acid, now so we can write the formula MaVa plus, always addition, Ma1 Ba1 plus Ma2 Va2 divided by Va1 and Va2. Clear? Easy. If you have both acid and both base on the question, in the question, so just you write the formula, simple. Addition is there, no subtraction. Okay, clear? So this is a full explanation of the molarity topic. Okay, student? Okay, thank you.